Hello everyone, welcome back to Herox. In today's video, we'll explore the most cutting-edge and lucrative ways to make money online in 2024. Firstly, we plunge into the fascinating realm of virtual real estate investing. Just like in the physical world, you can acquire, sell, and trade digital properties within virtual environments. You might wonder, how does this work? Platforms like Decentraland and The Sandbox offer a marketplace for these transactions. Get a grasp on these platforms, understand the market trends, and you're ready to profit from the booming virtual real estate market. Next, we delve into the exciting territory of non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. These unique digital assets are making waves in the online space. Interested in flipping NFTs for profit? Or perhaps creating your own unique digital assets? We'll walk you through the process of minting NFTs and navigating the dynamic NFT marketplace. Our third stop takes us to the frontier of AI-generated content creation. Gone are the days when content creation was a manual task. Enter the world of advanced algorithms that generate written, audio, and video content. By leveraging these tools, you can create engaging content with minimal effort. Fourthly, we explore the thriving market of remote virtual assistant services. As the demand for virtual assistants soars, you can offer specialized services remotely. Whether it's social media management, customer support, or even AI-based virtual assistants, we'll share insights on the platforms and skills required to succeed in this evolving industry. Lastly, we venture into the world of decentralized finance with cryptocurrency staking and yield farming. It's time to put your digital assets to work and earn passive income. We'll guide you through the process of getting started with staking and yield farming on various DeFi protocols. So there you have it. The top 5 innovative ways to make money online in 2024. Remember, the digital landscape is ever-changing, and staying ahead of the curve involves exploring new opportunities and adapting to these changes. If you found this journey helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the digital world. Until next time, thank you for joining us on this adventure, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.